I was
how do
very
you,
limited in my thinking. Now you've expanded it.
now,
So I'm sitting in the car and I'm like, okay, Sam, tell me what's been going on with my under contract buyers. I would like to call all of them in the next hour. Give me an update on this contract and this contract and this contract. And then I can have a personal conversation with them. And then I can deliver that new information to them about the appraisal, the
exactly,
That,
inspection, or whatever that
that's
my
exactly.
exactly
assistant's
right.
done for them.
Yeah, that's exactly right, because the system already has all that information. And you could even go one step further. The system might even know, like, okay, well, from your office to the showing that you're headed, it's going to be a 20-minute commute. And maybe it knows that you're going to spend on average, 10 minutes on the phone with someone. That means Sam can prompt you to be like, hey, we've got enough time to make at least 2 calls, maybe one really good one, but it can kind of coax you in that regard too, to just, it's the ability to deliver that client experience that just goes above and beyond. And your technology is helping you just shine as the real estate agent.